Okay, let me show you my proof how I make $5,500 in the last 22 days. So let's go first. I want to show you the time and date USA. Okay, so you can see today 22 September 17, and I made in the last 22 days over $5,500. So let me show you my proof. Then I will show you how exactly you can make this money to your PayPal account. So you can see $5,500 in the last 22 days. I want to show you how exactly this working, how to set up your system, and how you can make this money to your PayPal account. Okay, so let me show you step by step. All you have to do is take action and start today. Okay, so let's start. First, basically, you need a product, and you have to build around this product a sales page like this. Okay, you need a title, a video, and add to cart so you can receive this cash to your PayPal account. Don't worry, I want to show you everything, and I will give you my system for free so you can use it for free and you can make money online for free. Okay, step number one, you can see here in the bottom, you have to visit first. Okay, you have to visit 5K dot making money academy. I want to show you exactly the link. Okay, this is the link. You have to visit 5K dot makingmoneyacademy.net. Don't worry, I will put the link below this video. If you don't found it below this video, so this is the link. So please visit and you will get this page. Now you can see here in the bottom affiliate program. Okay, so let's say visit, and you will get this page. Okay, affiliates earn 100% commission for every sale. So you can sell this product and you can earn commission daily. Okay, and you can make unlimited cash on autopilot like I do every single day. Okay, so basically this is the affiliate link, but you have to put your username here. But first you have to make a free account with payspree.net. Okay, so if you don't have an account, you can go here. You can see, click here. So let's click it. And you will get this page. Okay, you can make your free account with Payspree. Okay, it's free. And all you need from this page, from this website, you need only your username. So after making your free account, get your username. okay, and back to this link, okay. So you have to put your pastry username here, and I will show you how exactly this works. Let's get this link and back. Okay, so basically this is the link. You have to delete this from the link and put your username, okay. So my username is, this is my username, and I will test this link so everything is working well, okay. So I will copy and go to my browser and put in my browser. Great. If I get this page, so my username and my affiliate link working well, okay. So this is my affiliate link. Now with the step 2, I will show you how exactly how to get traffic, free traffic. I will show you 2 ways, okay. Free traffic and paid traffic. So you can get real traffic and you can get commission daily using this method. Okay, so let's go. I want to show you the list of traffic that I am using daily. Let's visit makingmoneyacademy.net. You will get this page. Okay, you can see here list of traffic. I want to show you the top of this list so you can use this traffic and they get a commission daily for free. And also I want to show you one of the best paid traffic so you can promote your affiliate link and get commission daily. Okay, so traffic source number 1, it's free traffic. You can found it. Let's see here, hot list mailer. So let's visit. You have to make a free account. If you don't have an account, you can click here, click to join for free. If you already have an account, you can click here, click for members area. So let's say visit, and you will get this page. Okay, you can see here in the left send emails, and then you can see send an email. So let's visit, and you can see here, click here to email 520 members. Click here to email now. Fantastic. Okay, so let's back. I want to take my affiliate link, copy, and back to the website. First, you have to put your affiliate link here in the bottom, and we can put in the email body. Now we have to put the subject, okay, title, that convert title. So we can use, let's say, top proven way to earn over 5,000 $5,000 a month. Okay, something convert, something catchy. We can take this also and put here, top proven way to earn over $5,000 a month. Okay, so our affiliate link here and affiliate link here. Okay, very important and a very catchy title. Then you have here, click to check your email links. Let's test the link. Okay, my friends, welcome. Okay, fantastic. That's it. You can click here, approve email to be sent. That's it. Okay, so this is how we get traffic to our affiliate link. The same website you can visit here, your viral traffic. This is the same website, but not the same members. So you have to use both. Also, there is unlimited free traffic here that you can use to promote your affiliate link and make a commission daily. Okay, so I recommend to use all of this website. It's free traffic, but the best is to this website, so you can use it and promote your affiliate link and earn commission daily. Okay, this is a free traffic. Now I want to show you one of the best paid traffic, so you can get unlimited traffic daily and get commission daily. So you can use this traffic and you can earn on Autopilot. Okay, this is an Autopilot traffic, so you can earn a commission daily without working. Okay, so this website is online link ninja. You can visit and you will get this page. This website will give you unlimited free traffic from traffic exchange. All you have to do is, like you see, for joining is $20, so you can join and you will get unlimited free traffic from all this website all the time on Autopilot, so you can earn a commission daily on Autopilot. This is a fantastic traffic to get real visitors and get commission daily. Okay, so remember, you have to use, I recommend to use all this free traffic, and if you want to use paid traffic for your link, you can visit online link ninja and get unlimited real human traffic to your affiliate link and get a commission daily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channels for more video. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.